Hello everyone, in this video, how to make a rounded square in Photoshop. Let's begin. I have already created a new document, then create new layer, select shape tool, right click on your mouse, use rounded rectangle tool, and first of all use fill, then secondly use without fill, without stroke, only fill, radius 50 pixels. Press enter and hold shift on your keyboard, click anywhere and drag on your mouse. Okay, and secondly again create a new layer, select without fill, only stroke, press enter and radius 30, press enter, then again hold shift on your keyboard, increase the stroke size. That's it. Thanks for watching video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel.